mo ba, partner, na itong si Attorney Melvin Matibag ay dating trusted, close ally ng dating Pangulong Rodrigo Roa
Wow,
Duterte?
wow, wow.
At
Mm.
pangalawa, ito ay dating Secretary General ng PDP Laban.
Laban. Oo.
Kaya nga lamang nag-resign siya 2 years ago from PDP Laban.
Mm.
So, ito ay gusto kong pag-usapan natin at na ating mga
Mm.
mga ating mga
Kayubi.
kayubi sapagkat ito ay continuation ng announcement
Mm.
ni
Vice
ni
President.
Vice President Sara Duterte regarding
Oo.
her ambition to become the next president of the Republic.
Okay,
Ano ba
partner.
ang sa tingin ninyo, mga kayubi, partner, dito
Yan,
sa
mga kayubi.
official announcement ng ating Pangulo na kanyang itinatalaga bilang NBI Director itong si Melvin Matibag, no?
Matibag. As the new NBI, no?
Oh,
Oo,
may
director.
timing kung pag-aaralan mo talaga
Mm.
itong pagkaka-appoint kay Melvin Matibag.
Mhm.
This is actually a tactical, no,
Mhm.
response by the president regarding the official announcement of Sara Duterte to run for president, and then
Aha.
yung mga allegations niya
Mm.
against the government. So this is the tactical response of the president to officially announce the appointment of NBI Director Melvin, no,
Mm.
Matibag.
Mhm.
This is very important because of the fact that alam naman natin na ang NBI is the central agency. This is the premier
Mhm.
investigating agency na
Yes,
talagang
NBI.
nag-iimbestiga to tungkol sa mga corruption in
Mm.
the government.
Mhm.
Remember na itong si sabi ko nga kanina, close ally
Matibag.
ito ni Duterte. Hindi
Mm.
lang to basta political ally, but this is a very close ally of
Aha.
the former president.
Oo.
So ibig sabihin, kapag close ally ka, nandun ka sa inner circle ng dating Pangulo,
Mhm.
alam mo yung playbook nila.
Oh, kumbaga
Kabisado
bisado
mo ang
mo.
playbook nito,
Oo.
kabisado mo ins and out, ang
Oo.
diskarte, ang style nito maglaro,
Mm.
kabisadong kabisado mo. So ang
Oo.
tanong dito, being a very close ally of the former president, bakit kinuha to ng presidente?
Hmm. Alam niyo na mga
Bakit kinuha to
kayubi.
ng
Oo.
ating Pangulo? So
Mhm.
in time, no, very timing pa yung may timing pa yung pagkaka-appoint.
Mhm.
Immediately in less than 24 hours, no, after the official announcement of Sara Duterte to run for president.
Eh siya namang
Ang
ano?
sagot ng
Oo.
presidente, eto si Matibag, dating yung kakampi,
Oo.
kinuha ko bilang NBI
NBI.
director.
Oo. Partner, singit
Eh
ko
ang
ha. Partner, singit ko ha. Sabi ni Maylin, attorney, si Matibag po is known also here sa San Pedro as exposer po ng mga baho ng politician. Oo.
Okay, so this is going to be a strategic, no,
Mm-mm.
move and strategic advantage on the part
Wow, ang galing
of
no?
the Marcos government.
Mm-mm.
Kasi siya ay nag-iimbestiga. No, it might lead the administration dun sa
Mhm.
mga pieces of evidence that are very important, no, regarding the pending investigation of the Vice President for this confidential
Mm-mm.
funds. Dito malalaman natin in a few days time if Matibag will prioritize the investigation of the confidential funds.
Funds,
And this
oo.
will lead to a suspicion
Mm.
that the priority of this government is to oust the vice president
President.
from office.
Kumbaga tahimik lang
So
partner no? Pero biglang, eto.
biglang lumitaw. So
Oo,
magugulat ka,
bubulaga.
yung transition niya biglang from Duterte biglang lipat kay Marcos.
Oo.
Eh, sabi ko nga, ito, yung mga ganit move, natatahi-tahimik, ito yung mahirap kalaban, yung
Mm.
tahimik eh. Bitso magugulat ka, yung isa sa player nila,
Mm.
biglang papasok sa kalaban,
Mhm.
tapos ang hindi very unusual dito, itong taong nakakuha ni BBM is someone who really knows the
Mm.
playbook of the
Oo,
former
kasi
administration. So
dati
alam
siya
niya
eh. Oo,
galawan.
oo, oo,
Malaking
totoo.
asset to kay BBM, tong si Atty.
Hmm.
Melvin Matibag.
Nako, oo,
At
oo, oo.
medyo kung ako dyan, matatakot ako kung if I belong to the other camp eh. Tapos nakita ko yung dating kakampi namin, Secretary
Oo.
General ng PDP Laban, biglang kumampi kay Presidente.
Mm-mm.
At kung maalala mo si Matibag, ito yung nagbansag kay Vice President Sara Duterte na Bratinela.
Yes. Oo, oo, oo.
Oo,
Narinig
siya yung
natin
nagbansag ng
yun.
Bratinela kay
Mm-mm.
VP Sara. At pangalawa, siya din yung nagdemanda kay Harry Roque.
Mm-mm.
Nag-file ng disbarment case to kay Harry Roque
Mm-mm.
sa sa Integrated Bar of the Philippines kasi on the ground of spreading fake news,
Mm-mm.
misinformation, which is contrary to the rules ng
Oo.
code of conduct and ethical standards para
Mm-mm.
sa mga lawyers din, di ba?
So, would you
So,
say
yan.
partner?
So,
Mm-mm.
kalaban nila ngayon to.
Oo. Would you say partner that this is a good
Mm.
naggalawan taktika ng present administration?
Well, this is a very strategic move, no? Very
Oo.
tactical move itong ginawa ni presidente na to. Ito ang kikilos ngayon para saliksik ng mga ebidensya because definitely he knows well
Mm-mm.
pagdating sa kalokohan ng dating administrasyon kasi nasa
Mm-mm.
loob siya eh.
Oo, oo.
Biruin mo nasa inner circle to ng dating administrasyon, bigla mong hinugot.
Oo, oo, oo.
Tapos
Nako.
kumampi sa'yo, tapos nilagay mo sa NBI, the leading investigative agency of the country. Doon mo nilagay.
Oo.
Tapos yung kalaban mo sa politika, ando doon, may presently merong nakabinbin na impeachment complaint.
Mhm.
Tapos na potentially, mapupunta sa Senate yan.
Mm-mm.
Ilaban na ng ebidensya yan sa corruption.
Mm-mm.
Di ba? So although it's a political process but may bigat din dito ang mga ebidensyang makukuha ng NBI against someone who is currently charged of impeachment in the legislative department.
Mm. Ang galing talaga mag-analisa ni attorney, ni partner. Talagang yung
Yan
mga
ang mangyayari dyan.
yung mga mo
Oo.
partner pag-analisa
Oo,
dito.
dito kasi sa laro na to, si Presidente is no longer playing the defense role.
Mm.
Pansinin mo, he is no longer on the defensive side. He is now playing the offensive role.
Oo.
So, binaliktad niya yung sitwasyon ngayon. Sige, deklara kang presidente.
Mm-mm.
Sige, ako ngayon ang nasa offensive. Kumbaga sa
Oo.
basketball, mahusay yung coach nito eh.
Oo.
Yung
Pero
political coach nito.
pag inaantay ng media naman kasamahan natin tayo if there's any reaction from the president sa pagdedeklara, pag-anunsyo ng vice president about the presidential elections, wala siyang comment, quiet lang siya eh.
But you can read his moves.
Oo.
Pag
Gaya nito.
binasa mo yung
Oo,
kilos
oo.
niya, kagaya niyan.
Oo.
Di ba? In less than 24 hours,
Mm-mm.
he made a very strategic and tactical move, appointing someone from the inner circle of the previous administration who is considered as his main opponent in politics. Nakuha niya and then
Oo.
nilagay sa leading investigative body of the country who
Mm-mm.
will now be tasked to investigate corruption
Mabigat NBI.
made
Mm-mm.
during the time of VP Sara as Secretary of DepEd and as Vice President in relation to the confidential funds and purchase of educational materials of DepEd.
Nako.
So, malalaman natin yan if that is going to be the priority of NBI in the next couple of days.
Yes, of course. Definitely yes, partner. Kaya nga parang sabing, antay lang kayo, wait lang kayo dyan, may bubulaga. Kaya kanina flash report yan sa atin ni ng ating Rajuman
Oo.
Chanel, Salazar.
So, kung mapapansin mo nga, from defense, naging offense.
Offense.
Si ngayon, si BBM.
Pangulo.
Ngayon, matataranta sila dyan.
Yun lang.
Ang daming alam niyang matibag na yan
Oo.
sa laro, sa politika ni Duterte.
Oo.
And alam niya din definitely ang mga kinilos na mali nung nakarang administrasyon na pwedeng naikwento na yan sa presidente.
And
At
also,
pwedeng
oo.
nagbigay na ng lead yan. Nagbigay na ng lead yan. So that is why he was appointed as NBI director. And he will be playing a very important role in the impeachment of the vice president.
Oh, really,
Ganyan
partner?
yan. Oo, ganyan yan. Oo. Hindi
Oo.
basta-basta ang NBI director.
Oo, hindi ka basta
But yes,
linagay ka lang dyan, ano? Oo,
oo.
mag-antay kayo, wait lang kayo.
Attorney Bueno, law and beyond. Learn the law, know your rights.